We're going to go ahead and review the AR variant made by Daniel Defense, the DDM4V11. Really beautiful rifle. Comes with a quad rail, red dot sight. It's a Vortex Strike Fire red dot sight. Feels really good in your hands. Although we don't have a grip here to use with the quad rail, it still feels pretty well. So we're going to be firing the 5.56 round, which is surprisingly long. These ARs are known for their accuracy, as opposed for their counterpart, the AK, which the AK has a bigger bullet, and we will be firing that one next. But first, let's see how the AR, America's favorite rifle, fires first. Woo! Now that's fun.
Hello guys, as you can see I'm about to shoot an AR15. Okay.
It's locked and loaded, you're ready to go. Bend down a little bit with it, I guess.
Whoa.
Not bad, not bad. We killed this terrorist. Even though the red dot sight was off a little bit, we had a lot of fun shooting this rifle. Stay tuned next to the AK-47.
Bye.
They're all up there in the head. This gun is so accurate, like so accurate.